it kind of was, I'm not gonna lie. What's up, world? It's your girl Joy here, and I'm back again to do another video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Joy here, and on this channel, y'all, right here, y'all, we talk about love, growth, and personal development. So if you know you in a need of one or all three of them things, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And while you at it, turn on the post notifications so you can be alerted every time I upload. Y'all, as y'all can see, I'm at a different location, y'all. The sun is sunning right now, and I'm here to give y'all something new, y'all. On my channel, y'all know I love talking about personal development, and it doesn't get more personal developmental than reading. So on this channel, we will be doing Reading is for Hustlers. Now, I only talk about personal development books, inspiring books, motivational books. So please, y'all, when y'all are commenting on books that y'all want me to read, do not give me no zane.
What did he say?
I don't want to know about no fiction, non-fiction. I don't even want to read documentaries. I'll watch a documentary.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'll watch a documentary, but I won't read one. So, that's what I like to do, y'all. So today, to kick off the first season of Reading This for y'all, I'm trying to be cute and post outside in his D's and shit.
Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death. The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town.
Okay, y'all. So the first book on the roster is Act Like a Success, Think Like a Success by Steve Harvey. Now, I don't know how I really want to go over the layout of the book. I don't want to be spoiling the book, but I also want to give y'all enough juice and squeeze that y'all are like want to like spin the block on. But give me 2 seconds. Okay, y'all, location change, but ever so slightly. I'm gonna do for this first video maybe some pros, some cons, and you know, my overall opinion. And then once y'all let me know how y'all would like to see these things, I can break it down. So let's start with the pros, right? Pro was that it was a good book. I feel like if you are a beginner in reading self-development books or personal development books, this is a great start for you because it gives you everything. It teaches you about how to cast a vision. It teaches you about perseverance. It teaches you about having a business mindset. It teaches you about, you know, work ethic. It gives you a lot of those details in this book solely because based off the guy, Uncle Harvey, but it gives you all of those things and those started things to really get your mindset right to be a successful person. So I want to say that was a plus. Another plus about this book was that it actually comes with the workbook. At the end of each chapter, you get like a workbook. I didn't personally do it myself because I was just listening on Audible. However, it does come with a PDF, and like I said, it's a workbook. So each chapter has its own like study guide or review, which I really think is good when it comes to really diving into like each chapter, because it makes you break each chapter down into about like 12 chapters or so. So that was another plus for me. And I would say like the last pro about this book was that I love when it's like celebrity. It was the authors are celebrities, because I feel like we get more of their how they rose to stardom, how they rose to fame type of rags to riches type of novel. And I love a good rags to riches. So like I really enjoy the stories that he shared. And one story in particular, it was chapter 3. I think it's called Take the Lid Off. And it was a story how he was in class and his teachers wanted him to run a piece of paper what he wanted to be. And I don't know, I think he said he wanted to be on TV is what he said. And the teacher was like,
do you know anybody that's on TV currently?
And he was like,
No.
and she was like,
well, you need to be, she basically said be fucking for real. BFF fight, be for real. Like, you're not gonna do that, you know? So give me something that's a little bit more predictable.
So he took the paper home. The mama was like, get that out of my face. Just write what the lady wants you to say. It don't even matter. Whatever. You know, it's her opinion. Everybody got one. But the daddy was like,
nah, I'm sending 10 toes down with my son. He said, screw that. Bump her or bump that school. That bump every student up in there that don't believe you're going to be on TV.
So he said,
No. Don't erase it. Write it right on down and send that shit back to her tomorrow.
and that's what he did. That's why we love tomorrow. He went and brought it back to the teacher. And the teacher was like,
Steve, I thought we talked about this. It's not giving what you thought it was going to give.
and Steve was like,
Nah, pop your brakes. See, my daddy told me that all things is possible when I believe.
shout out to Fantasia. Yeah, so he was just telling one of those stories. And as you know, he's hosted several TV shows, several daytime shows. You know, Steve Harvey, Uncle Harvey is that guy now. So I really appreciate you, like I said, knowing that backstory and just seeing how he rose up to fame and like how he's doing his, I'm sorry y'all, I'm so scared of these bugs out here. Like that, it talked about how he rose to fame, how he, you know, got it out the mud. So that was just something that I appreciated. Now, my only con for this book, and like celebrity people, shout out to Funky Daniwas. When y'all make these books, can y'all read them yourselves? I mean, the book was decent. It was a good book. But one, I'm a little bit mature in the personal development. So it gave me reminders, but it wasn't what it was had I not been already in this personal development field. However, I do feel as if you are a celebrity, I feel like I would have enjoyed this book better had I heard Steve reading it. I don't know. I think we love the personality and we love the motivation behind who Steve Harvey is. And I just kind of feel like I wish it was from his mouth, from his verbiage, from his, you know, tone of voice. I think I would have been more intrigued by the book. And I'm not gonna lie, like I was kind of turned off because I was just like, this isn't Uncle Steve. Who is this? This is an imposter. You know what I'm saying? So it was kind of hard for me, I'm not gonna lie, to really like divulge myself. Now, had this been anybody random, you know, that'd have been smooth. But because this was an Uncle Harvey book and Uncle Harvey wasn't reading it, it kind of was, I'm not gonna lie, kind of a little mid. It's kind of what it gave, y'all. So that was honestly my only con for the book. Like I said, I love that it had workbooks so you can really dive deep down into each chapter. I love the fact that it shares some of his personal stories, but it was just the fact that it wasn't him. And I was looking for him and he just didn't give. So y'all, that is my review, y'all. I will ultimately give this book a 6 jewels out of 10. What's a turn off when it was a Steve Harvey? I don't know, maybe it's me. Let's chop it up about it in the comments. 1, have you read this book? Do you like this book? 2, if it's a celebrity as an author and you're listening to it, would you rather the celebrity be talking than a random person? Also, y'all, side note, if you do want to listen along with me, I will definitely share my Audible link in the comment section. I don't know if you get any perks. No, I'm joking. I don't know if you're going to get any perks or benefits, but you all, if you're going to sign up and listen with me anyway, you might as well use my link. Give your girl a little bit of coin, a little bit of commission. Other than that, y'all, let me know what book you want to review next. I love you. God loves you. The bottom is way too crowded, and I look forward to seeing you. Yes, you. Right next to me. At the top, y'all. Bye.